Hello, welcome guys. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to open File Explorer to this PC on Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, if you want to open File Explorer to this PC on Windows 10 PC or laptop, so very easy. Firstly, open this PC and here click on this PC. Click on File. After click on Change Folder and Search options and click on Open File Explorer 2. So check this drop box and click on this PC. After click on apply, click on OK. That is. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to open File Explorer to this PC on Windows 10 PC or laptop. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for latest update.